Hey guys, so here's what you're gonna do. Today, today's makeup work, you're gonna have 4 assignments that you can be, or you'll be able to make up or check if you need to make it up. So here's what you're gonna do. The first thing you're gonna do is click the link right here. And in this link, it's going to be separated by homerooms. So if you check the bottom, and hold on, it's loading. Oh, you can't really see it, but let me fix this real quick. All right. If you check the bottom, it'll be separated by homeroom. You need to check your homeroom to know if you need it or not. So if I was in USF, I would go to USF and check if I'm on the complete list or the missing list. If you are on the complete list, that means you're going to go back and click complete, right? If you are on the missing list, what you're going to do is click your name. So if I was Matthew, I'll click my name. And then I would go ahead and complete this assignment so that you could be able to make it up and at least boost your grade. This classwork has 4 assignments that you could make up. If you want to make up more, you definitely can. This only has 4. So if you said that your name was missing, you're going to press next. And here's what you have to do. You have to actually complete the assignment to get to the next assignment. In this assignment, there will be a code word. You have to find the code word, and you can find it by actually completing the assignment. Okay, so you're gonna just keep doing that until you're done. If you have completed all your work, you're gonna go through this pretty quickly. If not, you could separate it by day. It's up to you, or you could complete all today. You do what you prefer. But this would be really helpful for you if you make it up today so that you're free for winter break. All right, if you have any other questions, let me know.